charge sheet served against those 7 UP Secretariat employees who have refused to work under Azam Khan. Those who have been charged are 2 private secretaries and 5 additional private secretaries. They have been charged for leaving the minister's office in an unauthorized manner and leaving government documents unattended. Meanwhile, Azam staff is being replaced. 2 new private secretaries have been appointed. The old staff has been transferred.
Right, so that's the breaking news just about coming in, that a charge sheet has been served against 7 UP Secretariat employees. Remember, these 7 employees had refused to work under Azam Khan, senior minister in Akhilesh Yadav's cabinet. Pranshu is joining us for more on the story. Now, Pranshu, give us more details about this story, how this entire episode started in first place.
Well, see, the episode started because the personal staff of Azam Khan, which includes 7 people of the Secretariat employees, they in fact raised the banner of revolt against Azam Khan for his abusive behavior and said that they won't be able to work under Azam Khan. Now, that was the entire incident when this entire thing started, after which all these 7 employees as of now, in fact yesterday evening, have been served a charge sheet, though no suspension as such has taken place till the moment. But yes, the sources say that depending upon their reply in the charge sheet, the further course of action would be decided. They are basically being charged for neglecting their duties, leaving the minister's office without following the proper procedure, and also not safekeeping the important government documents, the documents which the government now terms very sensitive and important. So they have been charged of neglecting the safety or the security of those particular documents. So these are the charges which have been slapped against 2 personal secretaries and 5 assistant personal secretaries in the Azam staff. All these people, they have been transferred from Azam's office, but the basic reason remains that all these people have revolted against Azam Khan because the Azam's behavior was abusive. They have accused Azam Khan of abusive behavior and therefore have written to the chief secretary that under these circumstances they won't be able to work under such a minister. So clearly it's a clear case where the people were forced to leave the minister's duty only because the minister has been abusive in his behavior. But now what we see is that all these people, the employees of this UP Secretariat body, they have been served charge sheet and have been slammed by the charges of neglecting their government duties.